equals summing section 938 is equal to range sum. So basically you have a binary tree, and then you keep L and R. Basically L is the lower bound, R is the upper bound, and then inclusively you need to sum over a node in this region. So for example, 7 and 15, and so you need to sum 10 and 15 and 7, because 7, 15, and 10 are in these regions between 7 and 15. So sum of them is 32, and you can check this is 23. Okay, so this can be solved by using the in order. So let me show you. So this is binary tree in order traversal. I use a recursive. Basically, we go to the roots and we append the value, then we go to the right. Okay, so we can just change this code very easily. So this is in order, but I add L and R. So if the roots is non-empty, you will go left. And if the root value is in a region basically less or equal to R or larger than equal to L, then we should use some variable called answer. Answer will add this value. So basically these parts will just traverse all the tree, and if any roots satisfy this problem, satisfy this condition, then you can use this answer to add. And so in the beginning, I initialize the answer to be 0, then I run this code, then finally I return answer. So basically, this is just a simple modifier for the in order, and we can just easily solve this problem. Okay, and I will see you guys in our videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.